I was browsing property, found this brand new one-bedroom apartment. Broker claims you can easily rent this out for 80,000. On paper, that is a massive 6.7%. The price is 1.2 million dirham. Any investor would get excited and want to buy it immediately. But gross yield is a story. Let's run the actual math to see if this deal. You are probably thinking, I already know how to run the numbers. I don't need this. If that's you, please feel free to skip. But if you're still here and you're the type of investor who wants to protect the capital, please continue watching the lesson. Clip 2. Let's switch over to DealAnalyzer.site and enter the real world constraints. As a non resident foreigner, banks are going to require a larger 40% down payment. That is 480,000 dirhams. Next, we factor in standard Dubai closing cost, DLD fees, agency commission, and bank registration. That's another 87,000 dirhams. That means to buy this property, you have to lock up 567,000 dirhams of cold hard cash out of your own pocket. Clip 3. Now let's plug in that optimistic rent of 80,000 dirhams, but we have to factor in the service charges. In JVT, they are roughly 13 dirhams per square foot, along with basic maintenance and property management. Our operating expenses are about 15%. We'll also set a standard 5% vacancy allowance to account for tenant turnover. Let's look at the cash flow after the bank takes it cut. Clip 4. Look at your screen. Once the bank takes it 46,000 dirhams annual cut for the mortgage, your actual year 1 cash flow is only 18,000 dirhams because you had to put down 567,000 dirhams of your own cash. Your actual cash on cash return is a tiny 3.19%. So my tool automatically graded this as a weak deal with a score of 39 out of 100. Clip 5. But it gets worse. If you look at the long-term total returns, your 5-year levered IRR is only 4.9%, and your net present value is negative 81,000 dirhams. You are taking on a massive real estate risk, dealing with tenants and locking up 500,000 dirhams for a return that is lower than a safe, risk-free bank deposit. Okay, people always ask me, you scroll through Dubai property listings, 100 of them every day. Don't you get overwhelmed? Well, no, because I know how to filter the bad deals, and I do it very quickly because I use DealAnalyzer.site. You can also use it, link in the comments.